If you like this video, please subscribe and like my YouTube channel for more videos and click the bell icon to get new video updates.